welcome to the very first challenge of Ovalida's second season. Tillu, stop judging what I'm going to speak. The way you're looking at me, it's like I'll just say one wrong word and you're going to slap me. Yes, so today's oh shock, I just did like a chapri YouTuber. Today we are doing word association. So okay, word association guys, word association.
Simple game, nothing very complicated. I'm going to say a word. The next person has to say a word related to it.
Okay.
This is no category. This is nothing specific. Okay.
Nothing specific.
If I say water, you can say pee. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Anything related.
Yeah.
Like,
But
like
it-
how the round.
Not
It
the
has to
first
be-
thought which comes to your head.
No,
No.
it has to be
The
related to
first
the last
related
word.
to the word.
To the word. Okay.
Oh wait.
I say da, so overly.
Can be.
Okay, before we start, okay guys,
Can
I'm
be.
going to reintroduce my family to y'all. This is Vismita Shetty. This is Abhishek Jain.
Stop it.
This is
Nada.
Stop it.
This is Rhythm and myself, Overlida. Y'all understood the game? Very simple. Very simple.
Simple.
Very simple. And let's
Go at.
There's no punishment, right?
No, we are giving punishment. Guys will get hit on the
Neck?
neck, and girls will get hit on the forehead.
If forehead
Okay,
is
slap,
still
slap.
raised
No
from
forehead.
the
Then what do you
previous
want?
one.
Oh,
Slap.
Then no punishments.
No, feels near. No feels.
Okay.
If you want, we can do no punishment.
Okay,
Maybe red hands.
Red hand doesn't work actually.
Done,
Red
done.
hand needs to have pressure. You
Done,
can't like
done,
hit
done.
and then
We
you.
We all have good experience with red hands. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Okay, this works. You don't get hit. I'll take the hit for Tullu.
Hey, so take for me also.
For me also.
Okay,
We
fine.
figure on the in the middle.
Everyone has no punishment. Everyone has 3 lives. Okay.
3 lives.
Three
Ah,
lives.
perfect.
Okay. You say you choke 3 times, you're out.
You
Super
choke 3
Mario.
times.
Super Mario.
You choke 3 times. You're out.
Dirty mind. The last person to stay in the word association game is the winner.
I don't want Abhishek to
Okay.
win.
There'll be 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. Camera.
Rhythm.
Lens.
Photo.
How does rhythm and lens match?
It does
I
match.
said rhythm and camera.
No, how does rhythm and lens match?
Ooh.
You don't associate to me.
Oh!
I associated
Try it.
directly.
You have to associate with the
Guys,
person who
try it.
said
Okay,
before
try
you.
it, try it.
Okay?
My
This
bad.
was the trial.
Hey, I agree.
I start again, okay?
Fresh.
Start again.
Fresh.
Start again.
Take 2.
No,
Take 2.
Take 100. Water.
Susu. Can't happen.
I did. I did susu. I did susu.
Who said I did? You.
Yeah, rhythm.
You can't say Hindi beach mein.
Come slap him. Come slap him.
No, but susu is a word. It's okay.
What is I did?
Yeah, susu you can't say. You
I
need
did
to-
is not one word.
Only English words.
English words are allowed.
Okay.
Oh my god, you guys are so chaotic.
Only English is allowed.
Okay.
Restart.
Three trials are done. Okay. Bottle.
Bottle guard.
Huh?
Vegetable.
वो bottle guard क्या होता है?
Oh,
Loki.
Dudhi.
He lost.
अच्छा
Bottle
bottle
guard.
guard लोकी होती है इतना इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई
Can we take this to hit Abhishek as a thing because he did well?
Yeah, bottle
He
guard.
lost his life.
But
I
then
lost
why
one
do you,
leg.
एक minute, why are you bothering with what Vismita
अरे
is
नहीं
saying?
समझाना but
Category नहीं चल रहा है ना.
Yeah.
You have to pay attention to the person.
Last round start
4 trials are done. I don't know.
We are restarting the game again.
Because these losers couldn't understand it for some reason.
अंदर
Welcome back to the challenge. This challenge is called word association. All we have to do is Abhishek will say a word.
Rhythm, you suck
I
at
have to
the-
say
you
a
suck at
word.
the explanation.
I have to say a word which associates to his word only. And then if I say a word, then Tullu will associate with my word only. She cannot associate to his
And it
word.
can be 2 words. It just has to be a
One
single
word. It
Single
cannot be
word.
85. It cannot be 2 things. It has to be one single
It
word.
doesn't have to be about yourself.
Spread your
It
legs.
doesn't
Yeah,
have to
It
be
doesn't have to be about yourself only. It has to be tentative.
spread your
Okay,
legs
one.
tangible.
Tangible. Sorry, I
One
don't know what
tangible.
English.
pause. Before we start. What if according to me it makes sense but
No,
according
it
to
will
others-
make-
No, no, it makes sense for everyone.
for everyone.
Yeah.
You go
And then if
to
we explain it and then it
no
makes
no
sense.
sorry no explanation
See?
No explanation.
sorry
Okay, let's start
it's like water pee susu no
No Hindi words.
No English
No
words.
Hindi
No
words.
Hindi
Only English
words.
words.
basic
You have to go to
English.
Canada.
Excuse me basic English huh? No
Now
IELTS
there are going to be
English
comments.
No,
no
bottle
IELTS
word.
English
If I'm in house bottle
no
guard.
IELTS English
It is a
what is
bloody
bottle what
vegetable.
what is bottle what
Okay,
It's a
okay,
vegetable.
let's start. Let's
I only know eggplant
Yeah, let's have a discussion only now what we're going to do. Let's start the challenge.
Abhishek start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody has 3 lives. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start.
gym Loudu
I lost one life.
You lost one life. Fuck up, lost one
I
life.
lost
To
one
do
life.
you.
Blue.
Sky.
Clouds.
कल तक बोलना तू
अरे इसमें टाइम
Yeah,
कर
you.
सकते हैं.
No.
You have 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds.
Yeah,
have 5
you do.
seconds.
You need time.
Guys,
Hey,
I
no
like
no
categories.
wait 1 minute 5 seconds is too much 3 seconds is
3
not
seconds. I said clouds.
3 seconds.
And if
ऐसा really
Wet.
Water.
Horny.
One second.
1 minute. How's water
horny
and
है?
horny now?
She wet से horny हुआ हो, water से horny
see?
नहीं हुआ हो.
I lost one life.
Okay. Now I'll start a new category. Bag.
Gucci.
Expensive.
Luxury.
Rich.
Car.
Took a lot of time. One life gone.
3 नहीं.
Why?
One life gone, guys.
Can we
Again.
count as a 1, 2, 3?
Guys, one life gone. May not do a lot of
ठीक है,
time.
fine.
Risky.
Hard.
बराबर है.
Alcohol.
Drunk.
It's not my day.
Guys, you all just don't know how to play the game.
Yeah. It's easier to say from outside.
Don't make me sit in the same spot again. Lost 2 lives.
2 lives lost.
Abhishek, for the lose one life.
Start.
Yeah, when you start.
Okay, light.
Bulb.
Tube.
White.
Colors.
Black.
Sky.
And the best one.
कहाँ sky कैसे निकल क्या ऊपर का 1 मिनट.
Yes. My bad.
Then you lost one life.
I should not even do it.
Technically out, right?
Rhythm is technically out.
Technically out.
Please go out.
Two lives. One
One
is
left.
it. Two have last chance. Come on.
One left.
Fuck, Abhishek has not lost
Yeah,
life.
one.
That's right.
Even I haven't in this one.
Start bro, start.
Playing safe. Playing safe.
Pillow.
Fight.
बराबर है.
बराबर है.
Fight.
चलो भाई, one down.
One done.
नहीं let's.
Start.
Start
We
over.
both are 2.
Why you use fight and all? It says comfy, something like that.
We both are 2. Start.
Start.
T-shirt.
Large.
Dick. English.
Rhythm.
अरे come.
Go out.
अरे come.
Out.
Come.
Rhythm's out. Hair.
Black.
चलो भाई next. ब्लैक टी शर्ट भी होती है, जींस भी होती है, बहुत सारी चीजें ब्लैक होती है. मैंने तो
Make
क्या
that like I need one breath. I need before that. Lost. Make a lost.
I lost 2 now.
2 ना,
Two,
ये तो out
okay.
है.
Yeah,
out.
but-
Lost.
This is the third she lost.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
Achha,
go.
this is-
Please come down. Let the players be on
But
top.
no, 1 minute. She's 2, we are 0-0 per bit.
Yeah.
I want Abhishek to lose. At least one life I want him to lose.
In my own video, I know next one I'm gonna lose it for sure. Y'all want to give us a word or we only? Okay, I say teeth,
एक,
Sorry?
एक,
Leg.
foot,
shoe,
Socks.
comfy,
bed,
Sorry?
bed, बिस्तर,
Pillow.
cotton,
shirt,
Large.
small,
excess,
Belt.
leather,
shoe.
Again. Okay.
Shoe हो गया.
तो-
Shoe हो गया.
So you can't repeat
No,
one.
you can't
Okay,
repeat.
one down.
Shoe हो गया.
Oh yeah! Yay! You back to the spot. That is my
Toilet,
Pee.
Harpic.
commode.
Hey, P and Harpit.
Pee and Harpic, बच गया. I got saved. Please go out.
I clean the pee with my Harpic.
How?
Every time.
But it's related, guys. Clean is
You clean
related.
your commode with a Harpic. You don't.
Thank you
clean
guys
your
for watching the video. I'm not. Let's see who's gonna win. Let's bet. I think Lulu might take. Lulu might lose and Abhishek might
Yeah,
win.
even I bet on that. iPhone.
Call.
Huh?
Lulu,
I
one life. And take your
Yeah.
time to decide.
One all.
One all.
Abhishek starts.
Girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Sex.
Penis.
Vagina.
Dick. Sorry.
Hey,
It just came out.
out. Yeah. Abhishek is gonna.
Abhishek is going to win. I am also betting on Abhishek.
2-1.
Okay. One more. Come on, Lulu, give some category which you won't be able to know. Give some complicated things. Come on.
There are categories. This is the word.
Yeah, this is
Say
so
some
good.
complicated word. Come on.
Start, boy. Start.
Bottle.
Water.
Drinks.
Ice.
Cube.
Square.
He took a lot of time. No.
Two all.
Two all.
Hat.
Cap.
Hat cap.
Same. They're same.
No, why hat can be this and cap can be this.
Okay.
Okay.
fine. Hat. Cap. Sun.
Glass.
Light.
Tube.
Bulb.
It's
Thank
Abhishek's-
you.
it's Abhishek's
Thank
good.
you. The place doesn't
matter.
matter. It's the player who matters.
Shittiest
I won.
player was Rhythm this time.
Yeah.
Followed by me.
Follow. Good one.
Just like the last game.
I played pretty well. I can say that. Oops.
You know how much I was focusing? She was like, I don't want to talk to you. I don't
What
want
did
to
I?
don't see anybody. I'm gonna talk to you. I don't want to see anybody.
Thank you guys so much for watching the challenge, and I'm so grateful for my friends and family and for you guys.
Yeah, so
Don't forget to like, share with your friends. Comment down below who your favorite player was. Don't
It's
comment
always
Abhishek.
AJ.
Don't
AJ.
comment Abhishek. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Doing all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming.
Gym.
Weights.
85.
You can't take so much time.
And then you can't say it, make it about yourself all the time. Get me, मैंने